I got the Meowl in Find a Brainrot, and this is how. First, you need to go to the really tall base and wait till the base opens. Then do red light, green light to reach the end. Then collect this weird guy sipping coffee over at the end of a hopping obby. Then do wall hops to get to the next level and climb up the ladder. Then do the maze and collect ring rang bus and get to the next level. Don't touch the lasers. The first code is 72. The next code is 70. Then go to the yellow circle and collect the Meowl.